to prep our filter, I like to take the filter out of the box. I like to use the box to help prop up the filter. These with the 5-liter V8 calls for 8.8 quarts of oil, so just go ahead and plan on 9 quarts. And I like to go ahead and fill the filter to the top and then let it run back down. And the reason I don't go ahead and fill it all the way to the top is because when you turn it sideways to put it on the filter base on the front side of the motor, you're going to lose that oil anyway. So I just fill it all the way to the top, let it settle back down, and then I like to take and wipe a little bit of oil around the gasket. There's a couple of reasons why I like to put a little bit of oil around that gasket. And one of them is just because as you screw it on, if the surface is dry, you won't cause any gouges, nicks, tears, anything like that in the gasket. And additionally, when you pull the filter off, next time you get ready to do an oil change, it kind of helps out that gasket not be stuck to the filter base.